The breakfast I'm going to make is a breakfast I eat pretty much every day. It's a plant-based breakfast. It's basically oatmeal, and then I have some soy milk on the side with some protein powder, a little bit of protein powder, not too much, and then I'll do some nuts, which I already ate this morning, so I'll skip those for now. It gives me about 30 grams of protein. Can't remember exactly what the carbohydrates is on it right now, but anyway, it's a great balance. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get it together.
6:50 a.m. on a Tuesday, bathed in bird song. The moment I wake, turn the dial to the right place. This is my morning, the Tennessee way. My dog is ready to be walking. Pot of coffee got me talking. Patsy cries out, she's so crazy. This is a morning Tennessee made me.
All right, so breakfast is done. Now, one other thing I do before I go work out is I make a workout drink. So let me show you how I do that. Let's see. So I just grab, I do a 16-ounce drink. So I just grab my water bottle, and there are many out there. There are many, obviously, hydration drinks, I guess you call them, out there. This is one that I found that I like. My understanding is, and I got this from Dr. Stacy Sims' book, it's called Next Level, and I'll go ahead and link to it down below the video for you, to the book. But anyway, in there she talks about the hydration drinks and how so many of them have way too much sugar, or they have artificial sweeteners, and why that's not, in her opinion, a good thing based on the research she's seen. So I went and I took her recommendations out of that book to kind of like go on a hunt and find a hydration drink that I thought I would like, but that also met kind of the criteria, because there's supposed to be a certain balance between the sugar and the salt for optimal uptake into the muscle. I mean, you know, who would have thought? Anyway, this is the one that I like, and it's Osmo, in case you can't read that. But they have a lot of different flavors. I think it's great. It does have the natural sugar in it, which she says is really important, and she gets into, I won't even go into all that, but anyway, she talks about that. And then it has the right ratio to, you know, with the sugar to the salt. And so anyway, but they got a lot of flavors, and I like it because it's not too sweet. You know, those drinks that are like almost syrupy sweet, those hydration drinks, I don't like those. So anyway, this is a good one. So I just do a 16-ounce drink. So let me get that together. Okay. That's all ready to go. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.